Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the 5 best free alternatives to Autohotkey for Windows. All right, let's begin. First up, we have TinyTask. It's a lightweight automation tool that lets you record and play back simple tasks on your Windows computer. It's perfect for repetitive actions and very easy to use. Coming in at number 2 is Pullover's Macro Creator. This one is more advanced than TinyTask and allows you to create macros using a visual interface. You can automate complex sequences and even add conditions or loops. At number 3, we have AutoClicker, an open source tool. It's mainly focused on automating mouse clicks, but you can also combine it with keyboard actions. Being open source, it's free and regularly updated by the community. Coming in at number 4 is FastKeys. This software is a full-featured automation suite that includes text expansion, hotkeys, and mouse gestures. It's perfect if you want more control over your Windows automation. Finally, at number 5, we have Repeat. This tool allows you to record repetitive tasks and play them easily. It's simple, fast, and ideal for small automation tasks. So, that's basically the 5 best free alternatives to Autohotkey for Windows. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!